Hey y'all, what's up? Peace out. Ooh, period. So we gonna remix this real quick. It's S to the A to the N to the Y to the A. Yes, ma'am. It's a little sister here. And yeah, we gonna do this. Period. Cause what? I came just a kid. What? Who wanna go first? I had them first like daffodils. I'm high as woo. I only took a half a pill. And yeah, welcome to the Get Ready With Me Thanksgiving edition. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So now we start off with the concealer. Period. Get your shade and dot it under your eyes. Per. With the face mist, we gonna come in with the beauty blender. Pat, 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 purr. Get that look up so you don't get it in your eye, cause like you don't want it burning now. You gotta set it right, as you should. Purr. Almond. Make sure you get your right color. Cause you don't wanna look all crazy now. Get your right color. Purr, as you should. You see the conceal. It's concealing as you should. Ooh, she putting the over high too. Okay, yeah. Get the eyelids, girl. Make sure you get the eyelids. Don't forget the eyelids. You gotta get it. Purr, as you should. Okay, I think this is I think this is powder. Yes, the setting powder. You have to set. Make sure you set. If you don't set, where you at? What? Where you at? If you don't set, pat it on your face. Pat it down now. Pat it down now. What? Blend it. What? Blend it. Set it with the powder. What? Purr. Make sure you get that forehead. You don't want to look shiny. Come on. You're trying to look bad. Purr. Now you're gonna spray it with a little face mist. Spritz. It's giving glow. It's giving. Now you're gonna fan it away. We'll be going in with the orange today. Purr. You're just gonna put it on the top. We'll blow it off. Okay. Foot long, $5. I would go any, 5. Breathe. We're gonna add that in. Blend it out now, y'all. Purr, look at it, fierce. It's giving sunset. Pierce. Purr, like what? Barbecue. Don't forget to blend out the corners, y'all. We gonna keep blending. Now we gonna take the concealer and put it on your hand and dip the brush in it. Oh, y'all heard that? I know you heard that. Breathe. You putting it? That's real close to your eye. You putting it back? Okay. Get in the creases, what? Get in the corner. Cut the crease, what? Cut the crease. Be cutting them creases today. Glitter. Okay, now we got a glitter party going on. Make sure you get your sparkles. And is that glue? I think it is. It's glue. Okay. We gonna put it on eyelid. As you should. Purr. And what about it? And what about get the glitter? Purr. Pick it up. Purred. You see the sparkle? Ooh. Shining, yeah. I let it spinning. I've been losing my what? My mind. Put it on the other eye. I know y'all hear these vocals. Purr, come through. And just pat it down so it don't fall off. You don't want to be spreading the glitter everywhere. If you know glitter, you can't get it out easily. So make sure you pat it down on there. Make it easier, pull it back, purr. Now we are shining. Now she came back with the brush, dust it off, ooh, ooh. Purr, what's that? Oh, it's time for the lashes, period. You start in the center, period. Love the technique. It's giving knowledge. It's giving done this before. Cause I'm a baddie, period. You pop them on with the bronzer. What's the look right there? It's cool. And you put it on the cheekbones. Pat it down, pat it down. Y'all better, ooh, stop me. And you put it at the bottom. Yes, get that jawline snatched. Snatched. What? Period. Now we coming in with the, what is that? I think it's blush. Blush. Rosy cheeks. Period. Smile. Now you always gotta have them rosy cheeks now. Yes, it's that purple highlight, as you should. Period. Bring out the purple. Bring out the sparkle. Hit the nose. Ooh, purr. And that's how you do it. Now we back again with the spritz. Now we spray it on the face. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, but we get a little nose contour. Period. I just go up, getting a little eye crease too. Thin it out, purr. Get a little nose. It's getting feline. It's getting fierce. Period. Now we line the lips, y'all. Period. I'm taking a brown color today. Very much nude. Very much neutral. Very much brown skin girl. You heard that. You felt the sound. Period. You felt it. Now we giving inner corners. Gotta make it shine. Period. Going there with the orange again. You can never do too much orange, girl. Now we're gonna hit it with the mascara, girl. Give them bottom lashes a pop. Thank you. And we're gonna end on a glossy note with the Fenty. Period. Pop it on your lips. Now let's get into this hairstyle. Period. Oh, faux locks, they so cute. Oh, who did your hair, girl? Oh, you did. Oh, I did, as I should. Yeah, now let's get into the edge booster. Swoop them edges. Make sure they are laid. Slide and jam. Yes, give it the swoops. Yes, it's giving baby hair's been laid. What? Now we tie it with the scarf. Period. You use any scarf you get. Oh, we done. Period. We giving a ponytail today. It's giving ponytail today. So we put it in a ponytail, one out and the back. It's giving half up, half down. And that's the hairstyle look. Y'all better get into it. Y'all know what's next. Outfit of the day is giving very much brown matching sets. Yes, pose. Alright, it's time for me to go. Peace out, y'all. Bye. Have a nice day.
And we're back. Alright. I did go ahead and put my hair back up because I was just filling it up more than down. But I hope you guys enjoyed hearing my sister do my voiceover. Since it's Thanksgiving, I really wanted to try something more family oriented, you know, so I went ahead and let my sister do my voiceover today. This year, since it's quarantine and pandemic and all that other stuff, we're not actually able to have the big family gathering that we usually have, so I'm just kind of getting cute just to be in the house. But I hope you guys have a great time at whatever festivities you're doing with your family. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button to support your girl. It really does help me out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.